Well, she was 3 weeks, 1 month off, holidays. He played 2 friendly games, but he rested, but he needed that. Arrived, he has made 2 training sessions. This afternoon is going to make the first training session with the team. We are delighted and is here, and what they're looking for is settle as soon as possible, try to help him to be happy here, and after to good connection with his teammates. The process to understand and to play with the league needs time, and hopefully he can do what he is with the national team from Brazil, with his old club, playing in front and help us to score a goal where is his big value.